Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to refresh and hard refresh Microsoft Edge so you can always make sure you're seeing the most updated and accurate content on any website. Whether you're browsing news, social media, or working on web development, this simple trick can save you a lot of time. Let's start with the regular refresh. This is the easiest way to reload a web page. Simply click the circular arrow icon in the address bar or press the F5 key on your keyboard. What this does is reload the page using cached data, basically information your browser has stored to help pages load faster. It's quick, convenient, and perfect for everyday browsing when you want speed without worrying too much about the latest updates. But what if a page isn't showing the latest changes? That's when a hard refresh comes in. A hard refresh forces your browser to bypass cached files and load all the newest data directly from the website. On Windows or Linux, you can do this by pressing Ctrl plus F5 or Ctrl plus Shift plus R. If you're on a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. This is especially useful if a website isn't displaying correctly, if updates aren't showing, or if you're developing a website and need to see changes immediately. Think of it as giving your browser a full reset, making sure nothing old is holding you back. So next time you're browsing and something looks off, remember these simple refresh tricks. Using them will keep your web experience smooth, accurate, and up to date. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Happy browsing.